Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to perform NAC in MW2. NAC, or No Aim Combo, is a popular visual glitch that allows players to display weapon combos without actually unlocking them through gameplay. It's purely cosmetic, giving your weapon a distinct look that stands out in matches. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to achieve this unique visual effect on your favorite weapons. To get started, first choose a weapon known to work with the NAC glitch. Not all weapons are compatible, so selecting the right one is crucial. Next, make sure you have a few specific attachments unlocked for that weapon, as they are key to triggering the visual effect. Once your weapon and attachments are ready, head into the gunsmith menu to prepare for the next steps. Now for the execution. Within the gunsmith, you'll need to perform a rapid sequence of actions. This typically involves quickly applying and then removing a particular attachment, often a barrel or optic, in quick succession. The timing can be a bit tricky, but with a little practice, you'll get it down. Once done, check your weapon's appearance to confirm the No Aim combo is active. For best results, practice the timing of the attachment swap. Consistency is key to applying the NAC glitch reliably. Remember, this is a purely visual effect and won't give you any in-game advantages or disadvantages. It's just a fun way to customize your weapon's look. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.